Good morning, good morning. We are headed to work. Go get this day started. Rush has not slowed down yet. So, yeah, I had a good night's sleep. My name's Tyler, aka TV the Greek, on Twitch and YouTube, and I build computers for a living. And I'm finna bring y'all with me. Good morning. It's about time for lunch. I think I'm gonna go grab some Chick-fil-A, and it's been a pretty good day so far. We came in, immediately did a couple optiplexes, and then I had seen we had a build for a local pickup, so I got that done, and now it's time for lunch. And when I get back, we have a little 30-50 build to do. So Chick-fil-A it is. I have a cat and a dog, and the dog's name is Samson, and he was just wanting to play, and Tigger was not having it at the moment. And I went to go scoop him up, and he just latched onto my face, and it got me a good little cut right here, and then on the inside of my lip.
What can I get started for you?
I want to get the Chick-fil-A sandwich meal. I want mac and cheese and the fries.
Gotcha.
And a cookies and cream milkshake.
Okay. Any sauces for you?
Give me a Polynesian and a Chick-fil-A.
Good for Tyler?
Yep.
There you go, sir.
Appreciate you, man.
Of course, you enjoy.
Thank you. All right, it's been a good day. I'm headed to get my hair cut. I forgot it's barbershop Thursday, so we're gonna go get this haircut and go home from there. So let's get to it. It's cold. It's a cold one. All right, we have made it home. Fresh cut, everything's cleaned up. I know Samson, he's waiting to see me. That's my boy. That's my boy. What my boy doing? Oh, come here. Come here, Samson. Come here. That's my boy. That's my boy. Yeah. So one of the first things I typically do when I get home is make my bed. I usually make it before I go to work, but with Maddie being home, because she works at a high school, so they're on Christmas vacation, so she's home. I'm not making the bed before I leave for work. So she went to go get some sushi, so I'm gonna take this moment and redo the bed the way I like it. Boom, bed's made. All right, so let me get my backpack and unload what I need to unload, and then take Samson on a little walk. It was raining out a little bit when I was coming in, so we'll see how rainy it is. Depends on how long I'm gonna walk him. Come back, take a shower, might get on, play some Call of Duty or something for a little bit, and call it a night. Are you going to walk, Samson? I'm going to walk, bud.